Are you looking for a bank credit card to add to your portfolio before the year's end? If so, here are 5 banking institutions that offer a pre-approval tool that there is no impact to your credit score. These tools help us make better financial decisions based on the fact we can see the likelihood of being approved instead of blindly applying. If you do go through with any of these applications, it will be a hard pull on your credit report. I have a bonus bank pre-approval at the end, so make sure you stay and watch all the way to the end to have one of the best credit cards of 2023, in my opinion. All right, let's go. The first pre-approval tool up is the Discover It card. And as you can see on this pre-approval application, all you do is fill out basic information and they will show you if you're pre-approved for a credit card with them. And again, there's no impact to your credit score. Discover has some pretty basic credit cards. So if you are looking for a basic credit card, cashback credit card, this is a place you might want to start at. Next up, we have Capital One. So Capital One has various different types of credit cards, from rewards to travel points. And again, this is the same as the other pre-approvals. All you're going to do is fill out some basic information and you will see if you are pre-approved for any of their credit cards. One of the better credit cards you'll see a lot on YouTube right now is the Venture Rewards card or the Venture X card. These are some very highly talked about credit cards that Capital One offers. I do have a Capital One Quicksilver. I'm not a huge fan of Capital One, but I've had the card for about 14 years now. Next up, we have American Express, one of my favorite credit card issuers. So here's the tool. Know if you're approved for this card with no impact to your credit score. Again, you're being pre-approved with no impact to your credit score. So there's no harm in pre-applying for a credit card because there's no impact to your credit score. So this first page shows somebody's account who does not have any Amex credit card. And the only difference with this is there's an extra step. If you are a member of American Express, you'll see this screen pop up without, minus one step. So again, you fill out this basic information, income, name, address, all that stuff, and you'll see on the next page if you're pre-approved. Next up, we have Bank of America. So Bank of America has some really good cards, I think, that they're offering right now. I never really checked for Bank of America as far as personal credit cards go. I do have a business banking relationship with them, but they have some pretty decent cards. And this is the same process with the pre-approval tool. You're going to fill out basic information and you are going to see the cards that you are pre-approved for. And Bank of America has some new premium rewards on their elite credit cards that are pretty nice, I think. So I'm going to be keeping my eyes out for these personal cards. Next up, we have Chase. Everybody loves Chase. And again, this is the same process as the other ones. You have a short application that you fill out. You enter in the information. This is no impact to your credit score, and you will see if you are pre-approved for one of their or multiple cards. And they have some pretty decent offers going on now with their personal cards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Freedom Flex, Sapphire, some pretty decent deals going on right now with Chase. I currently do not have any Chase personal cards. All of my Chase, the three Chase cards that I have are business credit cards. So next up, we have the bonus bank. So the bonus bank is Wells Fargo. And Wells Fargo, again, their pre-approval or the pre-qualification tool is the same as the other ones. You enter in your information. You'll see if you're pre-qualified for any of their credit cards. And Wells Fargo has the Built credit card, which is hugely talked about online now, and the Wells Fargo Autograph card, which is my 2023 card of the year. I mean, you get 3 times points back on many different categories. This is basically an all category, all usage credit card. I am probably going to apply for this credit card before the year is out. I also have a video on this credit card doing a brief review on it. So if you like this content, please share, like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you later.